In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Kartra. First, open your browser and search for Kartra. From the results, choose the official Kartra website so you land on the genuine login page. Once you're there, sign in with your account credentials. If you use multi-factor authentication, have that ready so you can get in without delays. After logging in, head to the main navigation and open the Contacts section. This is your hub for managing existing contacts and bringing in new ones. On the left sidebar, find and click Imports. This area is designed specifically for bulk uploads, so you won't have to add people one by one. Prepare your CSV file in advance. A clean file saves time and avoids errors. Make sure it has a header row and that each contact has a valid email address, along with any other details you plan to use, like first name, last name, phone, or custom fields. When you're ready, drag and drop the CSV into the upload area, or click Browse to select it from your computer. Once it appears in the uploader, click Save and Next to continue. Now you'll map your CSV columns to Kartra fields. This step tells Kartra where each piece of information belongs. Carefully align fields like email, first name, and any custom attributes you rely on for personalization or segmentation. Take a moment to double-check this mapping. Precise alignment prevents messy data later. Next, assign tags to these contacts to identify the group you're importing, such as webinar attendee or customer. Consistent tag naming helps you filter and trigger automations with confidence. Then choose whether to add these contacts to specific lists or subscribe them to an automated sequence. This is a great place to start a welcome series or route people into the right nurture track based on their origin. Before the import can proceed, complete the mandatory compliance questionnaire. Describe the source of your contacts, for example, whether they signed up through an opt-in form or a checkout. Provide the website URL where they subscribed, and verify ownership of that domain. You'll receive a verification code at an email address associated with the domain, so make sure you have access to it. Finally, confirm your privacy practices, including that you have permission to email these contacts and that you comply with applicable regulations. When everything looks good, click Save and Submit. Kartra will queue the import and process it in the background. If your file is large, give it a bit of time. Once complete, your contacts, tags, lists, and sequences will be ready to use.